I think pressure is inevitable in this kind of position. That's why in the first place, you have to establish your system so that you will be able to meet the deadlines and it will not be pressures on both sides. So convert the pressures into something positive, right? So again, you already give your clients na heads up na hindi naman talaga maaalis ng pressure. Pero having your system in place, it will be lessen the pressure. Tama ba? So day to day, of course, you expect a lot of communication in between department, of course, to your client. So ensure you have already listed all your tasks day to day, and then of course you have again the system in place, so you know how to do, and make sure at the end of the day you finish your tasks correctly and timely. So ayan, that's why I give you these tips kasi isipin nyo lang din agad yung day-to-day na ginagawa nyo or expect nyo dun sa clients. Again, go back to the requirements posted in the job post so you know what exactly your day-to-day tasks.